Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to clean sneakers in 4 easy steps with or without a washing machine. Step 1. First, brush off excess dirt or debris on your sneakers with a small scrub brush. Ensure any clumps of mud, grass, or dirt are removed before cleaning. It's best to do this over a trash can or outside to keep your floor mess free. Step 2. If your laces are creamy, remove the shoelaces to wash. You can either wash by hand with warm soapy water to remove dirt or machine wash on a cold gentle cycle in a mesh bag, avoiding putting them through the dryer as this can melt the plastic ends. Instead, leave them to air dry if they are flying. However, it's probably time to replace them with new laces. Just be sure to measure your existing one to check the corner length before buying. Step 3. Then mix warm water with 1 to 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent in a large bucket, sink or tub that is wide enough to submerge your sneakers. Dip an old toothbrush or small brush in the water and scrub around the eyelets to remove any dirt or grime. Wipe clean with a damp sponge or cloth for sneakers with removable insoles. Take them out and scrub clean with the soapy water. Step 4. Next, use your brush to scrub your sneakers with the soapy water until all the dirt has been removed. Apply the soapy mixture into the soles with a clean toothbrush. Scrub the soles, taking care to get all the sides and the bottom of the shoes for stubborn stains or marks. You may need to repeat this process or add a few more drops of dish soap to the solution. Once all clean, rinse off the residue well before allowing your sneaker to air dry completely. Let them back up if necessary. How to clean sneakers in the washing machine. Step 1. First, check the label of your sneakers to make sure they can be put in the washing machine. Usually, it's fine to machine wash canvas and mesh shoes. If so, brush off any excess dirt and debris into the trash can or outside before putting them in the washing machine. Step 2. Next, place your sneakers inside a mesh laundry bag to prevent the sneakers from marking up the drum. If your laces are particularly grimy, remove them and put them inside the same laundry bag. You can easily find shoes washing bags. Another tip is to wash sneakers alongside towels to prevent the shoes from banging around in the washing machine. Step 3. Next, run a gentle cycle with cool water using the same amount of detergent as normal. Avoid using the hot water as this may damage the sneaker. Never put them through the dryer. Always let the sneakers air dry. If you put them in front of any heat source, this may cause plastics to wrap or ruin the shape of your favorite sneakers. Also, remove any insoles to dry separately before wearing again. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.